A basic principle in Effectlauncher is that you can build project routes. Essentially, project routes are standard project plans that you can use to quickly initiate new projects. All you have to do is press New, name the project route, and press Create. And then you enter the Details section where you can build a standard template based on custom fields. You can add text field, name it, through the drag and drop feature you can extend the field to whatever size you require. You can add a text box, and add the number of different choices you want. Turn to 1. Save and close, and again you can drag and drop the size of the field to your requirements. Finally, you can add a drop-down list. And add the number of selections you require. Save and close. Then you save your template, go back to Details, and your template is ready for use, and you can tick the boxes and you can select the various alternatives from the drop-down list. Next step is to build the actual time plan. First, you create a new phase. You open your project route and you click the plus under phase 1 to create your first activity. You decide the estimated duration of that task, and then you create the task. Next step is that you describe what needs to take place in this task. You save it. You can add links to the task if you need. You can revise the task duration. You can add execution responsibles to the task. You can add stakeholders, i.e. people who needs to be informed of the task. And you can add sign-off responsibles in the sense of either groups or individuals. If you require everyone to sign off, you can tick this box and all members of this group needs to sign the task off before you can proceed. Furthermore, you can attach documents to the task from your document library, documents that will always be available when you initiate this task. Now we've described the task and we can go back to the time plan and we are ready to add the next task under phase 1. Click the plus and we initiate task 2. Takes 5 working days to complete. And then you follow the similar pattern, describe what needs to take place, who is responsible. And then we are ready to create a new phase in the project route. And you go back and you click the plus at the project route level. And you create the following phase. And again, you follow a similar pattern. Create your first task under that phase. Define the duration and describe what needs to take place. Here you can actually then define whether this task is dependent on a previous task. So we select a dependency with task 2 and save. Then when you go back to the time plan, you can see that the new task is actually being linked to task 2. Should you add a task that is not dependent on a previous one, follow a similar pattern. However, the task will automatically be made dependent of the previous one, but you can delete that. Go back to the time plan, and through drag and drop, you can decide the timing of the new task. And hence, you developed your first project route. Should you for some reason want to change the timing of the different activities, it's very easy to adjust the duration via drag and drop, and the time schedule will be adjusted accordingly. Further, if you want to change, you want to extend the timing, it is very easy to extend it. You can delete links, and then you can adjust the timing again. So it's very easy to edit your project route.